The Mahabharata is one of the two major Sanskrit epics of ancient India, the other being the Ramayana. Composed by the sage Vyasa, the Mahabharata is not just a tale of a great war but also a profound exploration of ethics, duty, justice, and the human condition. It is considered one of the longest and most complex works of literature, with around 100,000 verses spread across 18 books, Parvas. The Mahabharata tells the story of a dynastic struggle between two groups of cousins, the Pandavas and the Kauravas, which culminates in the catastrophic Kurukshetra war. Through its rich narrative and numerous subplots, the Mahabharata explores the concepts of dharma, righteousness, karma, action and its consequences, the nature of reality, and the meaning of life itself. At the heart of the Mahabharata is the rivalry between the Pandavas and the Kauravas, both of whom are descendants of the Kuru dynasty. The Pandavas are the 5 sons of King Pandu, Yudhishthira, Bhima, Arjuna, Nakula, and Sahadeva. Their cousins, the Kauravas, are the 100 sons of Dhritarashtra, Pandu's blind brother, led by the eldest son Duryodhana. The dispute over the succession of the throne of Hastinapura forms the backdrop of the epic. Yudhishthira, the eldest of the Pandavas, is the rightful heir, but Duryodhana, driven by jealousy and ambition, wants to claim the throne for himself. This sets the stage for a series of political and moral conflicts, which escalate over time. A pivotal event in the Mahabharata is the gambling match, Dyutakrida, in which Yudhishthira is tricked into gambling away not only his kingdom but also his brothers and himself. In a cruel twist of fate, the Pandavas are forced into 13 years of exile, with the last year to be spent in disguise. During this period, the Pandavas encounter a series of challenges which test their resilience, wisdom, and sense of duty. The Kauravas take advantage of their absence, assuming control over the kingdom. The humiliation of Draupadi, the Pandavas' shared wife, in the court of Hastinapura, when Duryodhana's brother Dushasana attempts to disrobe her, becomes a turning point in the narrative, inciting a fierce desire for revenge and justice. As the Pandavas prepare for the eventual return from exile, the Kauravas continue their efforts to prevent them from claiming their rightful share of the kingdom. This tension culminates in the Kurukshetra war, which becomes the epic's central event. Before the war, Arjuna, the supreme archer and one of the Pandav brothers, experiences deep moral confusion. He is torn between his duty to fight for his kingdom and his reluctance to kill his relatives, teachers, and friends who are fighting on both sides. This dilemma leads to the Bhagavad Gita, one of the most significant and revered texts in Indian philosophy. In the Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna, who serves as Arjuna's charioteer, offers him spiritual and philosophical guidance. Krishna teaches Arjuna about the nature of dharma, emphasizing that one must act in accordance with their duty without attachment to the outcomes. He introduces the concept of karma yoga, the yoga of action, and encourages Arjuna to rise above his emotional turmoil, recognize his higher purpose, and fulfill his responsibilities. Krishna's teachings extend beyond Arjuna's personal dilemma, addressing universal questions about the nature of life, duty, and the eternal soul. The Bhagavad Gita has had a profound impact on Hindu philosophy and remains a cornerstone of spiritual thought. The Kurukshetra war itself is a monumental and tragic event, fought over 18 days. The battlefield is filled with heroism, strategy, and immense loss of life. Bhishma, the revered elder of the Kauravas, is mortally wounded by Arjuna but refuses to die until he decides to pass away on his own terms. Drona, the great teacher of both the Pandavas and Kauravas, is killed in a deceitful manner by the Pandavas. The mighty warrior Karna, who had been a loyal ally to Duryodhana, is defeated by Arjuna in a heart-wrenching battle, despite his immense strength and noble qualities. The death of Abhimanyu, Arjuna's son, in a brutal manner during the war, is one of the most tragic moments, as he dies young, valiantly fighting against impossible odds. The war concludes with the victory of the Pandavas, but the aftermath leaves them mourning the destruction and loss of so many lives. After the war, the Pandavas assume control of the kingdom, but their hearts are heavy with sorrow as they realize the futility and devastation of war. They rule Hastinapura, but their reign is marked by a sense of emptiness, and they soon decide to abdicate the throne. They embark on a journey to the Himalayas in search of moksha, liberation, leaving behind their kingdom, their wealth, and their titles. This journey symbolized the renunciation of worldly attachments and the pursuit of spiritual enlightenment. Each Pandav faces a series of challenges, and their final departure signifies the end of their earthly lives. The Mahabharata also contains numerous other stories, subplots, and teachings that enrich its moral and philosophical depth. It explores themes of loyalty, honor, betrayal, and revenge, while also offering wisdom on leadership, justice, and the complexities of human emotions. The epic presents a world where heroes and villains are not clearly defined, and where the consequences of one's actions, whether good or bad, ripple through generations. Characters such as Karna, who is born of an unwed mother and raised by a charioteer, and Draupadi, whose suffering becomes a catalyst for the war, add layers of depth to the narrative, making it a complex and nuanced reflection of life itself. The Mahabharata's rich philosophical themes continue to resonate even today. It is a meditation on the consequences of one's actions, the impermanence of life, and the eternal conflict between good and evil. It teaches that dharma is not absolute but must be interpreted based on the circumstances of each situation, and that every individual must fulfill their duties with integrity, regardless of the outcomes. The epic's exploration of the balance between personal desires and the greater good remains a timeless lesson in ethical living. In conclusion, the Mahabharata is not merely a story of war and conflict, but a profound exploration of life, duty, morality, and the nature of the universe. It provides readers with complex philosophical insights into the human experience, particularly through the Bhagavad Gita, where Lord Krishna's guidance to Arjuna offers a universal framework for ethical and spiritual conduct. The Mahabharata's lasting legacy is not only in its epic tale but also in the deep philosophical questions it raises about the meaning of life, duty, and the ultimate pursuit of truth and liberation.